Do check my last video on an amazing face wash and a face pack. So today's day starts with chia seeds and water. I have soaked the chia seeds overnight and I'm having this in the morning. And after 30 minutes I'm having the magical drink. If you want to know which one is this, check it in the description box. And for breakfast I'm having poha. Even this recipe is in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. And 1 hour before lunch I'm having 1 liter of hot water. And for lunch I'm having meat curry, and which is a little semi-dry, and pumpkin rice. And yes, it's really yummy. And please let me know, what did you have for lunch? I would love to know what you had for lunch. Please comment below and let me know. I want to know what you eat. And in the evening I'm having my ragi flakes with almond milk, walnuts and black raisins. It's quite healthy, it is filling, and I kinda like it. I'm going to be making some gluten-free rotis. This is made of brown rice flour and it is gluten-free from the brand 0G. I'll put a link in the description box. You can watch a video which talks about all the gluten-free products. Taking a little bit of it. So that's all I'm taking. I'm going to be taking even some dates for this rotis. These are the dates I'm using. I have de-seeded them. I've taken 4 dates and I've just smashed whatever I removed out. Now for mixing this, I'm taking a little bit of hot water. I'm kneading it. Baby, I need a little favor from you. Please subscribe to my channel. It'll really mean a lot. Just taking this dates, mixing it in this. Dates is very good for our body, so why not make rotis out of it? I chopped 1 onion. I love onion. I'm using sea salt. Adding in a little bit of turmeric powder. A little bit of homemade ghee. If you want to make it, check the description box. I'm taking a tablespoon of it. If you want to get notified whenever I make a video, next to subscription, like next to where you have subscribed, there's a bell. Please click on that. You will get notified. Just making tiny balls. So I hope you find this video useful. I hope you like this recipe. I'm making like a healthy version of kottu paratha. If you have heard that, it's a famous dish in Tamil Nadu and it is super tasty with egg and lot of meat and lot of vegetables. But this is a very simple version of it. I'm going to be having this with keema curry and it's still delicious, but it's on the healthier side, so I prefer this. But yes, if you have egg, nothing like it. It's yum. Please let me know what you had for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Really, I feel like nice to read what you had. And yeah, I feel happy also, because if I can't have very tasty food, at least I can read tasty food. So please comment below and let me know. I'm topping it up with the keema curry, which even has a little bit of sweet potatoes, and really this is so tasty. Show your food, Appa. Show your food. Show your hand.
Good.
one spoon. Yeah, but I don't want.
I throw it on my face, huh?
Why? Can't eat? Kuttu paratha. You want more? You want all this over my baki?